One of the examples we will look at is a cloud web application that you're building for the cloud, and we will see how this fits into the larger picture. You could use Azure Cosmos DB to store your product catalog or other types of data that are better suited to being stored in a document database format. Table storage can also be used to store additional information. In the event that you have a large amount of data that needs to be indexed, you may be able to select the specific rows and values that you are interested in. Finally, blob storage can be used to store your images. To get the best performance for your application and your clients, you'll be able to store these in a globally available storage option with the ability to perform caching and other optimizations in front of that blob storage. As a result, even in a simple web application, a wide range of data storage options may be employed. Alternatively, you may be moving a web application from an in-house set of web servers and databases to Azure and want to pick it up and transfer it. Using Azure SQL as your relational data store and the various Azure SQL offerings to ensure the best compatibility is possible. In a migration scenario, your web application may be using the normal file APIs to access files. With this, you can provide your web application with an SMB view of a share that is accessible through the Azure storage system and the Azure files that sit on top of it. Using the same file APIs is still possible. Many times, all that needs to be done is to alter the route. Because it's stored in a storage account, you can access it from any of your web application's nodes or instances as it grows. When it comes to data processing, you may want to abstract data from your own on-premise data center, or you may want to pull data from another cloud, such as a blob system, log files, or another data source, and then use Azure Data Factory to process it. Lastly, we can look at an example of data processing. In this case, you can set up Data Factory to pull data from these sources and then send the transformed data to an Azure SQL database or a data lake where it can be processed by your applications or by some analytics. You can pull and push data to and from Data Factory, as well as perform all kinds of transformations in between. I hope that through the explanations and examples, I have given you a sense of how you can take advantage of those different storage capabilities for different application needs, as we have looked at storage options. So that you can focus on developing your applications and analytics rather than on maintaining infrastructure and database server installations, I recommend using those cloud-managed or service-based databases, if at all possible. Think about how data lakes, which are specifically designed and optimized for analytic tools, might fit into your solution and how that might meet your analytics needs as you think about and plan for analytics. With Azure, you have access to a wide range of data processing tools, such as Data Factory and Event Hubs, as well as a wide range of data storage options. These tools are all included in your Azure subscription and can be used to work with all of your different data sources and store data for building your applications. After that, we will take a look at Azure's data analytics capabilities and some of the tools available to you.